Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about, the OPPO A18 and how to replace its LCD display. So let's get right into it. First off, let's take a closer look at the OPPO A18. This smartphone is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget-friendly device without sacrificing important features. With its 6.5-inch LCD display, this phone offers a bright and colorful viewing experience, perfect for watching videos or scrolling through social media. Additionally, the smartphone comes packed with a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you have ample power to get through the day without constantly reaching for your charger. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the OPPO A18 does not disappoint with its 16-megapixel front camera, which captures clear and vibrant images. What's more, the dual rear camera setup, featuring a 13MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, makes it easy to take stunning photos with a professional touch. Now, while the OPPO A18 is a solid device, like any electronic gadget, it can experience some wear and tear over time, particularly around the display. Now let's talk about an important aspect: LCD replacement. If you're noticing cracks, dead pixels, or any distortion, it's essential to consider getting your display replaced. Thankfully, the LCD replacement process for the OPPO A18 is relatively straightforward, and it's typically best left to a professional to ensure it's done correctly. Whether it's a little crack or a complete display failure, addressing display issues promptly can save you from bigger problems later. When exploring replacement options, the cost can vary significantly based on factors like location, the expertise of the service provider, and if you're considering a genuine part versus a third-party alternative. Be mindful to choose a reputable technician or repair shop to prevent further complications. An unresponsive screen can be frustrating and could hinder your daily tasks. A little maintenance goes a long way. Taking preventative measures like using a screen protector and a durable case can help prolong the life of your display. However, should you find yourself in need of a replacement, remember that the OPPO A18 is both affordable and a great investment, even after repairs. In conclusion, the OPPO A18 is a fantastic budget smartphone boasting a vibrant 6.5-inch LCD display. If you're facing display issues, seek a professional evaluation and consider timely replacement when necessary. Caring for your devices not only enhances their longevity, but ensures you continue to have a seamless experience. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. We love hearing from you, so feel free to drop comments below about your experiences with the OPPO A18 or any other tech-related inquiries. Until next time, stay tech savvy.